Hi guys, it's Willie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Tasty Peach palette by I Heart Revolution. I did a tutorial with this on my Instagram. I don't know if it's up because it kind of got copyrighted, but it's still up on my TikTok, which is at WillWillSiwa. I just hit 12K on there, so if you guys want to go and check out that little tutorial.
Okay,
It's about a minute long. I show you guys my makeup routine. I show you guys how to apply things. I show you guys the powder I use. I just show you everything. So if you guys want to see that, then I would just head on over to my TikTok, which is WillWillSiwa on TikTok. I love you all, and now let's get into the review. I don't actually have the box that this came with, but it is orange, and I'm just going to tell you guys. So if you are interested in buying like palettes that are pressed pigments, this is a pressed pigment palette. It's not normal eyeshadows. And the packaging, like look at this packaging. So this personally looks like a phone case that I have, which is like silicone. This is silicone on the front of here. It's like a silicone rubbery texture. It's not fully silicone. It says Tasty Peach on it. This is what it looks like. And this retails for about like $15.99, so about like $16 depending on where you live. And it is very affordable. And I'm pretty sure you can even get this in Ulta, and they also have a couple other like palettes with like cool designs on them, and I mainly got this one because of the colors and the design, but the colors in here are so beautiful. So once you open it, this is the, hi guys, that's the camera. Y'all see that? Yeah, I know, my lens over. So we have nudes. This is basically like an orangey nude palette, as you guys can see with my nude eye. These glitters, like, oh my gosh, I really love their glitters like so much. I'm gonna swatch one for you. So I'm gonna swatch the one that I actually have on my lid right here, and I didn't need any primer, didn't need to do a cut crease. I just slapped it on there. This is what it looks like. Let me just like swatch that for you. Let's see. It's like a chunky glitter, but as soon as you like layer it on top of each other, it just looks so great. So I'm actually gonna put a little bit more on just to show you guys how it looks. This is my eye. See that? It looks really great on the eyes. So this is how it wears on the eyes. I'm using the James Charles palette on my inner corner with like, I'm just using the shade Face or Ring Light. I don't remember this one that's on here. You see that? That's what I'm using. And I basically use some of this as my base, but I really use this palette. So for today's look, what I used is I used, where are these? So, no, wrong brush. I used these brushes. These brushes are like really great, but they're like short. So I'm gonna try and show you the best way I really. So for first, I went in with some orange colors on my eyes today. So in this palette, it would be, I went in with this color, and then I just blended that out, gave me like a little orange, and then I wanted to deepen out my crease. So I took a, not this brush, but I took like a little packing brush, which is generally a really great thing to do. Where is it? Let me see. I have to find it. I took like a brush like this one, and then I just, no, I didn't use that. I took a brush just like this one, and then I packed it on my inner and outer corner, and I just packed it and blended it a little bit, and then I went in, and then I blended it out with this dirty, disgusting brush that I have here. You see that? It's basically what I use for nude eyes. So I went in, put that down, blended a little bit with that brush, then I went in and slowly did that. And remember, you're going to do windshield wiper motions when you are blending. So after that, I obviously wanted to, like, if you want to like blur out like all the blend lines that you did, you're going to want to go in with the shade Apricot, which is a really great color right here. You see that? This is Apricot. I went in with that, put that over everything. It basically blends everything together. Showed no harsh lines, showed no nothing, no blending marks, no nothing. So that was really great. And if you guys are wondering what lashes I'm using, I'm actually using the Ardell 3D Fox Mink lashes in 854. So if you ever see these lashes on me and you're wondering where they are, they're these ones. They really made a big, huge difference. And I'm just going to insert some pictures and videos of the tutorial. And obviously I'm singing to a song, but I can't put it in because I get copyrighted. So the mirror on this thing is just so like, oh my god, y'all, look at how big it is. Like I literally use this to do my eyeshadow. Like it's so great, and you can get like right in there and you can just, you know, do that. It's really great. I stand. You know, we really stand that. And then after that, I went in with these shades on my inner corner. So first, I went in with Freestone, and then I also went in with Bitter Almonds, if y'all can see. And I just blended that in my crease. And I didn't actually have to use any eyeliner, which is really great. So yeah, that's basically the review on this little Tasty Peach palette. It's about $15. If you guys want to see me do a tutorial with it, I will be doing a tutorial with it on my channel very soon, as much as many other palettes that I have. And I just really thought that I should share this with you guys because I wanted to do a review, and I didn't really want to wait to do a review because I am a little bit sick, if you couldn't tell already. So if you guys want to see more of me and my annoying little face, you can go ahead and follow me on TikTok, like I said earlier, which is Will with Siwa. You can go ahead and follow me on Instagram, where I post almost daily on my stories. I talk to you guys, do all of that stuff. That is Willy Makeup as well. And then my Twitter, which I haven't really been active on, is also Willy Makeup. So if you guys want to see video updates, all that stuff, then I would consider keep on watching my channel, and also go follow all my socials down below.